Okay, let's discuss the homework you did previously. Okay, please check your answers. Okay, so 1a, we have to plus and then minus. So 1a is over here. Okay, 6,257 ringgit minus 4,631 ringgit. Sorry, this is plus. We have to plus first. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 3. 2 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Then we minus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 8. 10 minus 3. So your first answer, 7,076 ringgit. Okay, B is over here. We have to minus first and then we plus. So the mistakes that the students always make is they don't see anything here, so they just write 63 here, which is wrong. If there's nothing here, it means nothing means 0. Okay, nothing means 0. So when you see nothing, you put 0 first. Then you minus. So 0 cannot minus 3, you have to borrow from this number here. So this number minus 1 becomes 2. The middle 0, they all get 9, whereas the last 0 gets 10. Okay, the last 0 gets 10. The middle all gets 9. And then we minus 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. Decimal point. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. Here we plus 10 becomes 15. Minus 1 becomes 6. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, then we plus. Plus 7 plus nothing is 7. 3 plus nothing is 3. Decimal point. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 7. 7 plus 9, 16. You write 1 here. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. So your answer is 54,689 ringgit and 37 cents. C is over here. We plus first, then we minus. So we plus 5 plus nothing is 5. 9 plus nothing is 9. Decimal point. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. Then we minus. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. Decimal point. 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. 8 minus 0. 6 minus 0. 9 minus 3. RM, don't forget. So your final answer, 66,866 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, question D over here. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the equal sign is on the left or on the right. You do the same calculation. Okay, minus and then plus. Okay, again, there's nothing here. Doesn't mean that you write 1 0 here. No, that's not correct. You have to put 0 0 if there's nothing. This is for minus lah. Minus, you have to write 0 0. So 0 minus 0 0. Okay, 0 cannot minus 1. We have to borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6. The middle zeros, they become 9. Okay, the middle 0. The last 0 here, this one is borrowing the number, becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Decimal point. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. This one plus 10 becomes 11. Minus 1 becomes 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. 6 minus nothing is 6. And then your RM. Okay, and then your plus. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 10. So you put 1 on top. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 9, 14. Write 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Can you see 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 equals 6. Very easy to remember. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 6 plus nothing is 6. So your answer is 65,648 ringgit and 8 cents. Question E is here. We plus first and then minus unknown equals this. Okay, so we plus first. Okay, let's say I give you a smaller number like this. 5 minus unknown equals 3. What is your answer? You take 5, the bigger number, minus the smaller number, then you get 2. So same thing here, we plus here first, then we minus the smaller number. Okay, so we plus first. So 0 plus nothing is 0. 2 plus nothing is 2. Decimal point. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 here. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Rm, don't forget. Okay, now we minus the smaller number, then we get the unknown. Okay, 0 minus 0. Okay, 2 minus 9, not enough, so we borrow 8 becomes 7. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Decimal point. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 4. Minus 1 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Rm. Don't forget. So your answer 44,055 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, number 2, deduct this. Deduct means minus. Deduct this from the sum. Sum means total. Total means you have to plus. So these two you have to plus and then you minus this. So we plus these two first. So 16,289 ringgit plus 7,015 ringgit. 9 plus 5, 14. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. Rm. And then you minus. Okay. This one plus 10 becomes 14. This one becomes 9 because it's in the middle. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. This one not enough again. You plus 10 becomes 12. This one becomes 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus nothing is still 2. So your answer is 20,926 ringgit. Last question, how much needs to be deducted from this and this? Okay, deducted again means minus. To become this. Become means equal. Equal sign. So the answer is this. So deducted from these two, so we have to plus these two first. Okay. Then we minus this to get the unknown in the middle, like just now. Okay, we minus the answer to get the unknown in the middle. So we plus the front numbers first, like just now. So this one we plus first. Okay, 0 plus nothing is 0. 5 plus nothing is 5. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 3, 13. 1 plus 1 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 4, 5. Then we minus the answer to get the unknown. Okay, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0. 11, this one becomes 11 because plus 10, this one becomes 2. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. This one plus 10, this one becomes 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then your Rm. Okay, so your answer 23,000 117 ringgit. Okay, for today's topic, multiplication of money. Now, the question for multiplication always looks like this. It will tell you 1. Let's say one person gets 5 ringgit, and then it will ask you for a bigger number. What about 5? So you have to take 5 ringgit times 5, then you get 25. Okay, the question always tells you 1 and then asks for a bigger number. This is multiplication. For example, each of us receives a financial aid of 2,800 ringgit. Can you see each here? Each here means 1. And then the question asks, what is the total amount for the financial aid received by 5 pupils? Can you see that? It tells you 1 is 2,800 and now asking for 5. So when you see this kind of question, you have to times. So 5 times 2,800. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 you write here. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Alright, so if you times 10, the easiest thing to do is you move the decimal point to the right, one time only. Okay, can you see this? Shift the point one place to the right if multiplied by 10. So if you times 10, you just move the decimal point here one time to the right. Why we move to the right? Because we times, the number gets bigger. So we move one time. So 5,095 ringgit becomes 50,953 ringgit. Okay, so if you times two numbers, you have to do two rows of calculation. The first row is using 9 to multiply, and then the second row is using 1 to multiply. And remember, for the first number of the second row, you should always add a 0. Okay, so your exercise is very simple. It's only 7 questions. Okay, question 1, A until F, and then question 2. So this is your homework for today. So please finish it by today. I hope you can do it by today, and we'll discuss the homework face to face tomorrow in school. Okay, so I'll see you in school tomorrow. Welcome back. Okay, see you and goodbye.